Now, from the assignment, the first question is this: current in 4 ohm resistor using source transformation technique. From this current source is parallel in resistance 5 ohm. So we have to convert this current source to voltage source. So current value is 4 ohm and the resistance value is 5 ohm. So we know V is equal to IR. So I is equal to 4 and R is equal to 5. So 4 into 5 is equal to 20 volt, and 20 volt is in series with the 5 ohm resistor. The 5 ohm and 2.6 ohm is connected in series, and the 6 ohm and 4 ohm are connected in parallel. So we have to find out the equivalent resistance. So for equivalent resistance, 6 ohm and 4 ohm are connected in series. The equivalent resistance of 6 ohm and 4 ohm is 2.4 ohm. So 5 ohm, 2.6 ohm and 2.4 ohm are connected in series. So equivalent resistance is equal to 10 ohm. From the 10 ohm, I is equal to V by R. So 20 by 10 is equal to 2 ampere. तो आमको बाहर करबाकू देछि I in 4 ohm resistor. तो 4 ohm resistor माने कोन ना एई जोठी एई करंट हमर फ्लो कला 10 ohm. तो 2 ampere. तो 2 ampere is splitted into 6 ohm and 4 ohm. We have to find out the current in 4 ohm. तो 4 माने opposite resistance है 6 ohm. तो 2 into 6 divided by 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 is equal to 1.2 ampere. Then we'll go to the next question. Next question, from this circuit we have to calculate the power dissipated in all the resistor and the voltage at 7 ohm. So first 12 ohm and 24 ohm are connected in parallel. So resistance is equivalent resistance is 8 ohm. Then 7 ohm and 8 ohm are connected in series. So current is equal to 12 ampere. From the 12 ampere we have to find out the voltage. The I in 7 ohm is equal to 12 ampere. The voltage in 7 ohm is equal to I in 7 ohm into resistor 7 ohm is equal to 84 volt. Then I in 12 ohm माने कौन 80 हमर current असले 12 ampere. 12 ampere will be splitted into 2, 12 ohm and 24 ohm. तले 12 ampere into हमको बाहर करियर अछि 12 ohm resistor है. तो 12 ampere into तार opposite resistance है 24 ohm. तो 24 by 24 plus 12 is equal to 8 ohm. So power in 12 ohm is equal to 8 square into 12 is equal to 768 watt. Something I in 24 ohm, 12 into 12 by 12, 24 plus 12 is equal to 4 ampere. So power in 24 ohm is equal to 12 square into 12 is equal to 1000. And you also calculate what is the power in 7 ohm. Here I in 7 ohm square into 7. So 12 square into 7. So 144 into 7 is equal to 1008 watt. Next, we'll go to the third problem. By unbalanced Wheatstone bridge, we have to convert this equation. First, this current is I and this one is I1. Then according to KCL, this current is I minus I1. If this one is I minus I1 and this one is I2, then this current is I1 minus I2 for this node. Then for this node, I minus I1 is entering and I2 is entering and this one is leaving. So I minus I1 plus I2. Then loop 1. For loop 1, there is no voltage source. The only voltage drop in resistor. So minus 4 I1 minus I2. But here the current direction is opposite for the 5 ohm. So plus 5 I minus I1 is equal to 0. So when we solve this, we will get this equation. Then loop 2. Loop 2 means first 12 ohm. 12 minus I1 minus I2. Then 11 ohm is opposite to this direction. And 1 ohm re jo current flow koche I2 is also in opposite. So minus 12 into I1 minus I2 plus 11 into I minus I1 plus I2 plus I2 is equal to 0. Next, third equation. There is one voltage source. That current will flow from negative to positive. So here 20 minus 5 into I minus I1 plus, sorry, 5 minus 5 into I minus I1 minus 11 into I minus I1 plus I2 is equal to 0. Then we'll got this equation. So from this 1, 2, 3 equation we solve, then we'll get I is equal to 2.5, I1 is equal to 1.37, I2 is equal to 0.16. तो I in 4 ohm resistor केते current flow करछि I रे I1, तो I1 is the value है 1.37. I in 1 ohm resistor केते current flow करछि I2, तो 0.16. But I in 5 ohm केते I minus I1. So you have to calculate I minus I1. Seventy 12 ohm I1 minus I2, I1 minus I2. Seventy 11 ohm I minus I1 plus I2. तो I1 रो वैल्यू जहाँ अच्छी था तो I2 वैल्यू माइनस करके हमको जहाँ आसला सेटा हला 12 ohm, 11 ohm, 5 ohm. Then we'll go to the fourth problem. In case of the fourth problem, this node is, for this node 0.50 is entering and I0 is leaving and 3 ampere is entering. So we can write that 0.5 I0 plus 3 is equal to I0. So 3 is equal to I0 minus 0.50 is equal to 0.5 I0. The I0 is equal to 6 ampere and V0 is equal to 4 I0. So 4 into 6 is equal to 24 volt. Then we'll go to the fifth problem. So from this problem, here the value of the current of 8 ohm we don't know. So for as this is connected in parallel, तो 8 रे जहाँ voltage drop, इतने से है voltage drop. So हमें लिखी परिवार 2I0 is equal to 8I. I current है unknown. Then I is equal to I0 by 4. Then V0 is equal to 8I. तो 8 into I0 by 4. ताले ये पाएं कि 9 ampere is entering, I0 is leaving, I0 by 4 is also leaving and here I0 by 4 is also leaving. So here get I0 is equal to 6 ampere. So V0 is equal to 8 into 6 by 4 is equal to 12 volt. Then we'll go to the sixth problem. In case of sixth problem, here the current is I1, here the current is I2 and here the current is I1 minus I2. So 30 volt is negative to positive, so positive, then minus 8I1 minus 3 into I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. This one is the first equation. Then the second equation, there will be no voltage source. So the voltage drop minus 6I2 plus 3 into I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. By solving this equation, I1 is equal to 3 ampere and I2 is equal to 1 ampere. So I8 ohm is I1. So I1 value जहाँ I8 ohm value से है, but 3 ohm is I1 minus I2. So 3 ohm वाला I1 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 ampere. From the current value, we can calculate what is the voltage drop across all the resistor. Then we'll go to the seventh problem. Then here the current is here 2 ohm resistor I1, here I1 minus I2, here I2. From loop 1, 10 volt is positive, then minus 2 I1, minus 8 I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. But for loop 2, 6 volt current flow from negative to positive to plus 6, minus 4 I2 plus 8 into I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. From this two equation, we can get that I1 is equal to 3 ampere and I2 is equal to 2.5 ampere. And from this 2 ohm resistor, the current flowing from I1. But 8 ohm, I1 minus I2 is equal to something. I is equal to 4 ohm, 2.5 ampere. So from this I value, we can calculate what is the voltage drop. Then we'll go to the 8th number problem. Here, find out the R. R means first हमें count calculate करिबा 12 ohm, 12 ohm, 12 ohm are connected in series. Sorry, parallel. So parallel ले connection है ला माने ये 12 ohm रा ये है ला 4 ohm यार equivalent resistance. तो 4 ohm R और 10 ohm are connected in series. So we can write that 4 plus R plus 10 is equal to 14 plus R. Then here 14 plus R are connected in parallel with 60 ohm resistor. So 60 into 14 plus R divided by 14 plus R plus 60. So we get this resistor. And then 30 ohm and this ohm are connected in series. So 30 plus 840 plus 60 R divided by 74 plus R. हमें जानी चाहिए equivalent resistance already we have given. R equivalent is equal to 50. So 50 is equal to something. Then R is equal to, when we solve this, we get R is equal to 16 ohm. Then we'll go to the 9th problem. In case of 9th problem, 3 voltage sources are there. First, from this current, negative to positive. So, minus 12 volt. So, plus 12 volt. Then positive to negative, minus 10 volt. Then negative to positive, plus 8. minus 3i is equal to 0. Then I is equal to 10 by 3 and the power is equal to 10 by 3 square into R is equal to 33.33. And this 10th number problem, 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 4 ohm are connected in parallel. Then the equivalent resistance is 0.55 ohm. And here 4 ohm, then 5 ohm, 3 ohm are connected in series. So 4 ohm plus 8 ohm plus 8 ohm. ये गुड़ा कहला parallel connection है. 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 8 ohm. तो equivalent resistance है 0.5. Then 2, 0.5 and 0.55 are connected in series. So equivalent resistance is 3.05.